good to see you all here today at Unity Fest 2025. It is about different cultures coming out to showcase their culture, but uniting as one force to do so. So out here today, we have the African American culture, we have the African culture, we have the Haitian culture, we have the Jamaican culture, we have the Hispanic Latino culture, we have the Mexican culture. We have it all. We also have soul food. We also have tables and vendors here to my right, and we have student ran activities and groups and clubs and organizations. So please visit everything you can.
Thank you for supporting Unity Fest. I want to thank our Shore United Bank partners for their sponsorship today. It's huge. And for all our vendors and everybody else that's involved in the activities, we're very grateful. And of course, the most important people here are our students and all their diversity and all the wonderful color and enthusiasm and excitement that you bring to campus today. We're thankful for your presence.
On behalf of Division of Student Success and Enrollment Management, it's really good to be here with you all. It's really good to see faculty, staff, and students out here together in a vein of unity to really celebrate each other, celebrate our uniqueness, celebrate all the things that we have in common, and that is so needed in today's world. So appreciate each other, appreciate all of you and what you do.